Morning, children. Welcome back to our online mathematics class. Children, how are you all?
Fine, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good
Fine,
morning.
ma'am.
Very good
Fine,
morning,
ma'am.
children. Yes. In last class, what we discussed, ma?
How many squares?
Yes.
How many squares?
Yes. How many? We completed the chapter. How many squares? Now we are moving to the new chapter. Does it look the same? What it means? Does it look the same? What it means? Already you've done so many activities on this chapter. You already completed this chapter, in previous third class you done it, so many activities. Even in fourth class also we done so many activities. Okay, do you have any idea on this? What is meant by does it look the same? Does it?
I think reflecting. Ma'am, does we will does it mirror?
Yes, it is nothing
Mirror,
but
mirror.
the chapter symmetry. Okay. In third class, where to look from, and in fourth class, the way the world looks. Okay. So in these two chapters, we done so many activities on symmetry, mirror halves, etc. Okay. Now, today we are going to start our class with an activity. Okay. Let's do, children. Start. Let us make a pattern from a drop of color. Okay, take a paper. I will give the instructions. You have to do it. Take a paper.
Yes, teacher.
Fold it into half. Take a paper. Fold it into half. Now sprinkle some color there on the paper. Open it. Open it.
Right, ma'am.
And sprinkle some color on the paper. Different colors you can do. And fold it and press it. Make it. Now sprinkle some color here. You can take different colors. Now fold it. Press it gently. Now open this. You can get different types of designs here. So the middle line is said to be what, ma? The middle line dividing the picture into two equal halves. The middle line dividing the picture into two equal halves. Okay. So that line is called line of symmetry. This picture is said to be symmetrical picture. So if you cut along with the folded line, you can make the given picture into two equal halves. Yes, very good, Joy. Yes, ma, nice.
Now let us do some inked string patterns. Dip the thread into different colors. You can take so many colors as you wish. And now take a paper, fold it into half. Keep the thread here. Fold the paper and press it. Now pull out the thread. Here you can get different types of designs. So shall we do one more? Take a piece of paper, fold it into half and keep the thread which was dipped into the different colors. Press it and gently pull the thread out. So here you can see different designs. Okay. So like this we have to make one design for each and stick it in your classwork.
Okay. Now look at this pattern. Now look at this pattern. While observing that, we can say that the dotted line divides the shape into two equal parts. Two equal parts. Okay. But are they mirror halves? No. Why? When you place the one part on the other part, it is not completely covering the second half. So those are not mirror halves. So let us see what is a mirror half. See here, observe this picture here. When you fold this triangle, the first half completely covers the second half. That means if you fold it along the dotted lines, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So that what we can say that this figure is having mirror half. So the two parts are said to be mirror halves of each other. Now, see here, observe the pictures here. Observe the pictures here, ma. So the line here, the dotted line, dividing the given picture into two equal parts. The dotted line dividing the given picture into two equal parts. So either pictures or shapes or any other things that possess mirror halves are called symmetric. The pictures are said to be symmetrical figures. The line separating the two mirror halves is called line of symmetry. All these things you learned in the previous classes. Okay. Now, so let us see the definition. What is the symmetry? If we fold if you fold a paper or any picture or anything along with the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. That means if you fold it, it should be coincide. Each part should be coincide to the other part. Then only we can say that the picture is symmetrical picture. The line is said to be symmetrical line. This line is said to be symmetrical line. Okay. Now see here, ma. Observe this. So observe the butterfly. The dotted line divides the butterfly into two equal halves. Two identical pieces. Okay. So the dotted line dividing the butterfly into two identical pieces. So in a symmetrical shape, one half is the mirror image of the other half. See here. In the second picture, we can see half of the butterfly. When you place near to the mirror, we can get the complete picture of the butterfly. Okay. So this line is said to be line of symmetry. Now, already you know that, children. So can you say which alphabet is having line of symmetry? And you know that here we have vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. Tell me, ma, which alphabet is having line of symmetry here?
Ma'am, W. A, ma'am.
A.
A.
W. A.
E, ma'am.
B.
H, ma'am. Ma'am, H, ma'am. D, ma'am. E, ma'am.
How many, ma?
Ma'am, H, ma'am.
I, ma'am.
I, ma'am. J. E also, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, A, ma'am. Ma'am, V, ma'am. Y, ma'am. V, ma'am. Y, ma'am. Y, ma'am. Y, ma'am. Y, ma'am. And Y. X. Y, ma'am.
Y.
Z, ma'am. Z, ma'am.
How can you divide G?
E, Y.
Here the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. These are having symmetrical lines. And once observe that here, some are having vertical line of symmetry, some are having horizontal line of symmetry, and some letters are having both. Okay. So vertical line of symmetry, which letters is having ma? A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Are having vertical line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry, B, C, D, E, H, I, O, X. Okay. These letters are having horizontal line of symmetry. And both vertical and horizontal, how many ma? 4 letters are having H, I, O, X. 4 letters are having horizontal, both vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay? Now, so lines of symmetry around us. So here you can see some road signs. So which sign is having symmetry? Tell me. Which sign is having symmetry?
31st one.
First one is having symmetry. Okay. Whether it is vertical or horizontal, you have to test that also.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Very good, ma. Horizontal. Next.
Ma'am, second one is horizontal.
No.
Third one also horizontal. Fourth one also horizontal.
Fourth one also horizontal. Here one letter is there. Okay. Give way. So we cannot divide that letters now, ma. Okay. See, let us see here. Here, one horizontal line of symmetry. Here, cross we have. Okay. If you keep it straight, along with that, we can say that vertical line of symmetry. So a rectangle is having 2 lines of symmetry. One is vertical and another one is horizontal. So these are the lines of symmetry in road signs. Okay, ma?
In road signs.
Now, symmetry in nature. We can see symmetry around us. Around you, can you say any symmetrical figure? Around you. In your room. Any picture you can say.
Ma'am,
Photo
frame.
Yes, photo.
Door.
In photo frame, if it is
Door.
empty, you can say okay. If it has picture, single
Ma'am,
picture,
pencil
then only we can say it has symmetry, line of symmetry. Okay. See here. Head of the
Ma'am, Almara.
Yes,
Almara, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Next. See,
Ma'am, book.
is the butterfly symmetrical?
Book, ma'am. Pencil box. Yes.
Butterfly
Yes, ma'am.
symmetrical or not? Yes, it
Yes,
has.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So here, at the beach, there are some variety of shells. See that line of symmetry here? Is it having line of symmetry, this shell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
One vertical line of symmetry.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. See here. Is crab is having
Yes, ma'am.
symmetry?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Having, ma'am.
Very good. Then what about this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Has also line
Yes,
of
ma'am.
Now,
Ma'am.
animals and some insects. Okay. So observe this.
Okay.
Here in this we have line of symmetry in bat also, in flies also, even the face of Jean and here spider. So here we have some line of symmetry in insects and animals. We can line of insects and animals also. So in mask, can we see line of symmetry in mask? It's clear. We have line of symmetry in this mask.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us see our face. In front of mirror, let you see your face. So we have vertical line of symmetry. When you observe that, our face is having vertical line of symmetry. Okay, ma? So which is nothing but mask. Okay? Now, here observe this, ma. When you place a mirror to the half of the picture, we will get the complete picture. We can get the complete picture. This activity we are going to do now. Okay? Observe this clearly. So here we have a half of the picture here. If we place a mirror along with the dotted line, we can get the complete picture here. The complete picture. So these are called mirror halves. These are called mirror halves. Okay? Mirror half. So Taj Mahal is having one line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. So observe the shape. So this is a rectangle. This is having horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. In circle, we have so many symmetrical lines, ma'am. In circle, we can have so many symmetrical lines, infinite. In circle, we have infinite lines of symmetry. And observe this, ma'am, this triangle. This triangle is having one line of symmetry. And these two pictures are also having one line of symmetry. Okay? Next. So, if the given pictures are not symmetry, we can say are not symmetry or asymmetry. Asymmetric. Asymmetric means not symmetry. It is not having symmetrical line. Observe this. Here is the line. Is the line dividing the picture into two equal halves? No. So it is not symmetrical picture. So here observe this rectangle also. This is also not a symmetrical picture. So here the line is not dividing the given pictures into two equal halves. So this is the symmetrical tree, and where is it is asymmetric tree. And here the line, the white line is dividing the given picture into two equal halves. Okay. So here these are the some symmetrical lines in the nature. Here in Rangoli also we can make symmetry. Okay. And here also in flower also we can have symmetry. How many petals it has? So it has which picture is having symmetry? Tell me, ma. Which picture is having symmetry? Which picture is having asymmetry? What is the asymmetry? Asymmetric picture here, fish in the pond. It is not having symmetrical line. It is not having symmetrical line. Activity time. What you have to do is take a leaf. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Take a leaf, cut it into exactly half.
Okay, ma'am.
On one side, paint. Okay, paint the leaf. And
Okay, ma'am.
press the half. You will get the remaining half there. Okay? With the painting like this. So do it and stick it.
Okay, ma'am.
This is leaf symmetry. Okay, ma? Now. So till now, what you learned, ma? What is symmetry? What is the dotted line is called as symmetrical line, and you can see the mirror halves. Okay, and symmetrical pictures and asymmetric pictures. Now, by seeing the pictures, you have to say whether the pictures are symmetrical or not. Okay. questions to you. You have to say whether the given picture is symmetry or not, symmetrical picture or not. If it is not, you have to say the reason also. Okay. So let us see. Here. So here we have the one star we have, the one picture we have. Okay. So is the picture symmetry? Yes, ma'am. Here one picture is given for us. Is the picture is having symmetry? Is it a symmetrical figure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many are saying yes?
Ma'am, Prajwal Hari. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Ujjwala.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Aniket.
But I am saying it is not symmetrical picture. Can anyone say the reason? Can anyone say the reason?
Because it's color. Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, because of that color is not correct.
Yes, very good. Here, observe that when you
One
fold
side is
picture, the white color is
white and one side is
okay. So when folded on the given line, pink color is pink color or red color triangles are false are white color triangles. So that it hence no mirror halves in the picture. No mirror halves in the picture. Okay, so it is not a symmetrical picture. Now, see this, ma'am?
Ma'am, this is not a mirror image, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Is the picture having mirror half? Is the picture having mirror half?
No, ma'am.
No. What is the reason?
Ma'am. No, ma'am. The roll is uneven. Ma'am, the roll is uneven.
Yes. When you folded it to the dotted line, one is not exactly covering the second half. Okay. So the edges of rectangles folded opposite way. Hence, it is not having mirror half. Now, yes, look at this picture. Is it having mirror half?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
The leaf size is
No,
not
ma'am.
exactly equal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Size is not equal, ma'am.
Now, what about this, ma'am? Is the
No,
shape
ma'am.
mirror half?
No, ma'am.
No. So, blue color part falls.
No, ma'am.
So, it is not having mirror half. Okay. Now, look at the fifth one.
Yes, ma'am. Is having. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Either side of the line sides are identical. So, star is having mirror half. Then what about
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
having mirror half?
Yes, ma'am.
Mirror half it is. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Having mirror half. Next. Look at this picture.
In a line. No, ma'am. Fair. No, ma'am. No, no. No, ma'am. It was 6,
So
ma'am.
the horizontal line, the shape and size of the butterfly is not.
No, 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 no.
What about the next picture?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The dotted
Yes,
line
ma'am.
is the given picture into two identical equal parts. So the given shape having mirror half. Now this one, seventh one.
No, ma'am.
No. What
No,
about
ma'am. There is no mirror.
so here? The pink,
No, ma'am.
the pink circle falls on the green circle. So it is not having mirror half. Okay. Next, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the eighth one is having
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
the horizontal line divides the given picture into two identical parts. parts. So hence it is having mirror. What about this picture, ma? First picture.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Folded the
No, ma'am.
towards the horizontal line. Both the sides are not identical. So this picture is not having mirror half. And this 13th one, ma?
Yes, ma'am. Having.
14th one?
No, ma'am.
Oh, very good. Then 15th? What about the 15th picture?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
When you folded the dotted line, along with the dotted line, we are having two identical parts. So it is having mirror half. Okay? Very good. Now we are going to do an activity. Here, let us see. Okay, ma? See here, in the mirror half, just now we know that if we keep a mirror to the half of the picture, we will get the next part. Okay. Here we have a picture of dog. You can place a mirror on the dotted line. The dog to the right of the line will be hidden behind the mirror. What you will see? You can see the picture like this. Okay. You can see the picture. Now here we have the picture of dog and this is the dotted line for us. When you folded it along with the dotted line, when you keep a mirror along with the dotted line, what is the picture you can see here? So this is the picture you can see here.
Mirror, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the mirror image. Okay, ma? And now, and one more question is given for us. Box. So we have to check this white box, ma. On which of the dotted lines will you keep the mirror so that you get shape D? So here two dotted lines are given for us. On which dotted line we have to keep to get the picture B? Okay. So let us check, ma. See here. So first what I am doing, I am keeping the mirror to the horizontal line. Is it the same, ma? This picture we have to get. Is it the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Did we get the same picture? This one? No. So now what I am going to do is I am placing the mirror to the vertical line. Now observe this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the same picture what we have. Okay. So this is the same picture what we have. So we have to keep dotted line. We have to place the mirror to the vertical dotted line. We have to place the mirror to the vertical dotted line. Okay. Now make a line on the white box to show where you will keep the mirror to get the picture next to it. So now we need to get this picture, ma. Picture C we need to get. So to get this picture, to where we have to keep the mirror? Where we have to keep
In middle, ma'am. In middle. Ma'am, in middle line, ma'am.
See here? Is it the same?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes, we have to draw a dotted line here.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to draw a dotted line. So like this, we have to keep the mirror. Somewhere I am getting sound, ma. Don't touch. So this is the dotted line. What we have to draw to get this picture C. Okay. Now look at the second picture here. Yes, here we have to draw the dotted line. Now, where we have to keep the mirror? Where we have to place the mirror to get the picture D? To get the picture D. See here. So, just I am keeping it like this. Am I getting the picture D? No. So
Yes.
now just change it. Only head part we have. Okay. So see here now.
Now it is coming. Yes, ma'am.
So we have to draw a dotted line along with this, like this. Okay, ma'am? So here we have to draw the dotted line. Okay, to get the picture D. Okay. Now, next one. So here to get this picture, what is this picture E? To get this picture, where we have to place the mirror? To get.
Ma'am, head and tail. Straight line, ma'am.
So let us see.
Middle, ma'am.
See here. Are we getting? No.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No. No.
Where we have to keep? See here now.
Yes, ma'am. No, yes, ma'am. It's mirror, ma'am.
So now what we have to do? We have to draw a dotted line there. We have to draw a dotted line to get the mirror half. See here. Okay. So like this we have to draw a dotted line. Okay, next. So to get the picture F, where we have to place the mirror? To get the picture F, where we have to place the mirror? So let us check. See here. Am I getting the picture? This picture I need to get.
Oh.
So again I am changing little bit. Am I getting the picture?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Check properly.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now I am reversing the mirror. Check it now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is the required mirror image for us. So we have to place the mirror like this. We have to place
Okay,
it
ma'am.
like this so that we can get the required mirror half. Okay. So where we have to keep the mirror, ma? Like this we have to keep the mirror to get the picture. Okay. Now see here another one, another activity. Some blocks are given for us here. Venki has made a red and white shape. Make a line on the white box where you will keep a mirror to get that shape. Look at how the line is drawn in the first box to get the picture to the next to it. Okay, see here. So here the first A is given for us. When you keep the mirror towards the dotted line, there we are getting shape B. Okay, see. Sima, when I am placing the mirror towards the dotted line, I am getting the picture B. Okay, this is the picture B. So same picture I am getting here. Okay, now here picture B is given for us. Here one more picture is given for us. So we need to get this picture. We need to get this picture. So where we have to keep the dotted mirror? Where we have to place the mirror? Yes, see here. Where should we place the mirror to get this picture? Okay. So now let us check. See here. I am keeping the mirror here. Is it a mirror half? Is it the exactly
Yes.
one? No.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it.
Yeah. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now see it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now we have to draw the dotted line here. Okay. Now, see here picture C. So, in this picture, where we have to place the mirror to get this pic, Here we need to place the mirror. Okay. So, let us check. So, I am keeping the mirror here. Am I getting the picture? No.
No, ma'am.
Just I am reversing the mirror.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, see it, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, like this, we have to place the mirror. So, this is the dotted line. Okay. So, like this, we have to place the mirror.
Shape, look it, how the
Now, here we have to place the mirror to get this shape. Okay. Now, let us see one more. So, to get this picture, here where we have to keep the mirror. In this, where we have to place the mirror on the white picture. Okay. So, let us check, ma. We need to get this picture. So, just keep the mirror like this. So, just placing the mirror in the opposite direction. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we are getting the...
Yes, ma'am.
Don't shout, ma. We are getting the required other half. Okay. Now, the last one here. Check it, ma. See here. So, when you place the mirror like this, we are getting the required picture. Observe the mirror half clearly. Okay. So, when you place the mirror along with the dotted line, we will get the required picture. Okay, ma? So, when you place the mirror along with the dotted line, we will get the other picture here. Okay, ma? So, this is one like this. Catch all of you?
Clear, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
activity time. Now, activity time. This activity you have to do. Ma?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what we need to take?
You have to complete the other half of the given picture. Okay. Now, this is ink blot devils. So, what you have to do, take a piece of paper, sprinkle some color, different colors also you can use, and press it. Just now you done it now like that. Okay. Next one, this is thread, ink string pattern. Is there any doubt in today's class? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you understand the concepts of symmetry. Complete the activities and submit it to me. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.